Good afternoon, everyone. This is Byron Thomas Auto Sales in Scotland Neck, North Carolina. I'm bringing you a quick video walk around of this 2013 Ford F150 SuperCab 2-wheel drive Sport with 110,000 miles. A really nice truck. We'll give you a quick walk around and point out some of the features. So this is a really nice F-150 from here in North Carolina. It's got a clean title, so no flood history, no salvage history. Really nice bright blue exterior finish. It's got the XLT package, Sport package. Really no major blemishes to speak of, no rust or corrosion. Just a couple of minor scratches or dings here and there, a couple right by the door handle. But overall, just a really beautiful truck. So here's a quick view of the interior. You can see it's really exceptionally clean. Immaculate condition on the inside. The upholstery is in excellent shape, no rips or tears or stains. Got a power driver's seat. Headliner's in great condition. And you can see the same for the back seat. Just very, very clean. No pet odor, no smoky smell. Very well taken care of. Here's a shot of the passenger side. AC is nice and cold. Even though it's a two-wheel drive, it does have the trailer brake, limited slip differential, and the towing package. It's got the original floor mats, which are also nice and clean. You can definitely tell this truck's been well taken care of. Got the 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine. Runs nice and smooth, no rust or corrosion under the hood. So this truck also has a really nice set of wheels and tires. It's got these Cooper all-terrain tires, which are all probably about 80%, plenty of life left, nice and smooth on the road. And then these 20-inch alloy wheels, no rust or corrosion, just a little bit of the finish peeling off on some of the spokes, but overall still in excellent condition. All right, thanks everyone for checking out the video for this 2013 Ford F-150 SuperCab 2-wheel drive Sport. You can check out our website, byronthomasauto.com, where we'll have more pictures as well as information on this vehicle and the rest of our inventory. And of course, as always, check out our Facebook and Instagram pages where we update our inventory regularly. Have a great day.